Welcome guys, another video on our playlist JavaScript. In this lesson, we will use the getElementByid. Okay, it's so simple. Let's start. Okay, this is our HTML file. We have a heading 1 hello JavaScript. Okay, there, if you want, we can add our script on the bottom of the file, like so. Okay. We will also add a button. Click me if you want, or change HTML, or change button like this. Okay, this is our button there. Okay. Now, if you want, we'll make a change when we click on the button. We will change this message hello JavaScript. So we'll make there an ID, which is change. Okay, and there inside the script tag, we'll add the function to fire this event. Okay, function change content like this. Okay, we'll add the document dot get element by ID. We will use the ID which is on the heading 1. Okay, make it like so. Get element by ID, and we'll make the change dot inner HTML, because we will change the HTML, and we make there the message that we will update to. Okay. Okay, we can save now and see together how it works. Okay. We forget to use the onClick event. When we use the onClick, we should fire the change content function like so. Good job. Okay. Here's our ID. We pass it there. Okay, and we will update to a paragraph change it, and we will fire the event on the button. Okay, change button. Okay, it's successfully works. Good job. Okay, it is so simple. It is a simple example to learn more and more. Hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you next video.